Hello everyone, welcome to Login Giants. In this video, we'll learn how to disable YouTube Shorts. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. Well, before starting the process, you have to notice that you can disable YouTube Shorts only on your desktop but not on your phone. So that's something to keep in mind. So let's proceed with the video. First, you open YouTube and from the YouTube home feed, scroll until you see the YouTube Shorts section. And now just click on the cross sign just above the Shorts section. There you go. So by doing this, the YouTube Shorts section will be hidden for 30 days. And after 30 days, you have to repeat the same process. If you want to undo it, you can simply click on the undo button. Now, if you're watching YouTube Shorts on your phone, then you cannot disable it completely. However, there's an option. If you don't want to watch a certain video, just tap on the three vertical spots, which are located in the upper right corner, and then click on Not Interested. So yeah, this will help you to avoid watching the shorts. We hope you find this video helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to us for more helpful tutorials.